Hello everybody, this is Anand and welcome to another video. In today's video, we're going to be introducing a brand new app that gives you cash back on every purchase that you make. So make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. So let's jump right into it. This new cashback app will give you cash back every time you make a purchase online, at your local fast food restaurant, at Walmart, Kroger, it doesn't matter. You're going to get cash back. And best of all, it is super easy to do it. When people talk about cash back, a lot of times they only think about cash back on their credit cards. And don't get me wrong, getting cash back on your credit card, it's amazing. 1%, 2%, 5%, it adds up. But with this app, you are able to get way more cash back. Just imagine getting cash back on your credit card and getting cash back on your phone with this new mobile app that gives you cash back on every purchase. So what's this new app? What's it called? Where can I download it? How does it work? Let's get started. Alright, the app is called Fluz. So you want to download the app. Make sure you use the link in the description box below. I will explain later in the video why using an invitation link will benefit you the most. So make sure you watch the video all the way through. So link will be in the description. Alright, so how does the app work? So after you download the app, it will show you all the stores around you that are giving cash back. And let me tell you, pretty much all the stores around me are giving cash back, from Domino's, Walmart, Amazon, eBay, Kroger. Pretty much all the fast food restaurants, all the major chains, they are giving cash back. So you probably asking yourself, how do I actually get the cash back? It is very, very simple. So let's say you're feeling very hungry and you want to order some Domino's pizza, but you want to get cash back. So the way it works is very simple. So you go online, you pick out the pizza that you want, the drink, the cheese bread, whatever you order. And then once you get to the checkout part of the process where you pay for your pizza, instead of paying with your credit card or your debit card, you're going to use the Fluz app to make that payment. But before you do all that, once you download the Fluz app, you're going to enter in your credit card or your debit card. And the way it works is very simple. Now, instead of paying Domino's pizza with your credit card, you're going to pay with the Fluz app. So it's a win-win situation. First, you get cash back on your credit cards simply by using Fluz. And then you get cash back from Fluz from buying Domino's pizza. It sounds weird, but it works magically. And it's so easy. Once you have it all set up, you'll be surprised how easy it is. Now, to complete the checkout, all you have to do, let's say your total came out to $22.10. Now you're simply going to enter in your Fluz app $22.10 and then press the green button. Once you press the green button, it will pretty much create a gift card. And now you're going to use this gift card that Fluz created to pay for your pizza. Once you pay for your pizza, you simply go back into your Fluz app and you're going to get your cash back right in the app instantaneously. This is one other thing that I like about the Fluz app. It gives you the cash back instantly. No more having to go around the stores looking for the item that's going to give you the cash back, or uploading receipts, taking pictures of products. None of that crap. With the Fluz app, it is all done with a simple click of a button. And this works in hundreds of stores. And best of all, it is almost like double stacking your cash back. Now you're getting cash back with your credit card and the Fluz app, which is a win-win situation whichever way you look at it. And best of all, it works with Amazon, it works with eBay, it works pretty much all your online shopping. So let's say you're shopping on Amazon or eBay for some Christmas presents, or pretty much shopping for yourself, you're able to use the Fluz app right on your laptop, right on your phone, and get cash back instantaneously. And best of all, if you use the link in the description box below, you're going to get 3 stores that are going to give you 35% off. Yeah, you heard me right. You're going to get 3 stores that's going to give you 35%. So think about it. If you order something from Amazon for $100, now you're going to get $35 cash back, which is a win-win situation. Let's say you're doing all your shopping on Amazon or CVS or eBay or Walmart or whatever, or any other store. If you use the link below, you're going to get 3 stores that's going to give you 35% off. So let's say you're on Amazon, you filling up your cart with all the presents you're going to get for everybody. If you use the Fluz app, you're going to get some cash back. And then you can use that cash back to buy even more presents. It is a win-win situation. All right, everybody, there's a quick introduction on the Fluz app. If you want to check it out, link will be in the description. Guys, I'll be doing a ton more videos on this app. So far, I'm using it, and it's amazing. Like, it is so simple and so different compared to all the other cashback apps that's like too complicated to use, takes too much time to get cash back. You only have to be in the grocery store swiping through all the products and all the other crap. With the Fluz app, it eliminates all of that stuff. It doesn't matter what you buy from the store. It doesn't matter how much you spend. With the Fluz app, you're going to get cash back. So if you have any questions, drop it in the comment box below. And stay tuned for more videos. I'll be doing cash outs from Fluz. I'll be showing you how to actually use it, how to get more cash back with this app. So make sure you're subscribed. This way you do not miss any of these upcoming videos. It's going to be awesome. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.